Today, our topic is about user-defined exception handling in Java. And the question is, define exception handling. Write a Java program to create a user-defined exception handling for the following. Create a student class and get the name of the student and three subject marks. Find the length of the name. If the length is greater than 7, throw length exception. Find the average of the mark. If average less than 50, throw failed exception. If average greater than 75 equal to average less than 50, throw not first class exception. Now we can go for the explanation. In exception and handling, uh, to handle runtime errors like invalid input, division by zero, or logical valuation without stopping the program. Normally, when an error occurs, Java stops execution and displays on an error message. But using try catch throws, finally we can throw an exception when an error occurs. Catch it and handle it gracefully. Continue program execution safely. In the program, we custom user-defined exception where we create our own rules and errors types. This program create a student exception handling system that accept a student's name and three subject marks. Checks for three condition. If the length greater than 7, throw length exception. If the average mark greater than 50, throw failed exception. If the average between 50 and 75, throw not first exception. Student passed in first class if the program is otherwise. So it was a system that ensure the entered data and result and following specific relation. Custom exception class. Each class extend the built-in exception class. They each have a that pass a custom message to be parent class. These exceptions represent different types of validation errors. Main class. Create a student object, get data and validate it inside a try catch block. If an custom exception is thrown, it catched by the corresponding catch block. Finally, block executed regardless of successful or failure, good for cleaner or final message. Now we can run the program. We can name, we can give the name of the student. Jonathan. You can give the mark 80, mark 2 70, and mark 3 60. Error. Name length executed 7 characters. Case 2, student fail. Ravi, and the mark is 30. Mark 2 is 40 and mark 3 is 50. We can give the third name of the student, Arun. Mark 1 is 60, mark 2 is 55, mark 3 is 70. Enter student name of the fourth one. Name of the student is Divya. Mark 1 is Mark 1 is 80, mark 2 is 90, and mark 3 is 85. Average mark is 85, and the output is congratulations, student passed in first class.